Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great day despite the market pulling back. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a good swing trade I see setting up in iBio Incorporated, ticker symbol iBio. Before I get to the video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has already subscribed to my channel and for hitting the like button for me. And if you're new to the channel, I like to find short-term and long-term trading and investing opportunities in typically lower-priced stocks. I like to look for diamonds in the rough, undervalued, underappreciated stocks with high growth potential, as well as all other things finance-related. Now, if that's something that interests you, please subscribe so you don't miss any future trading and investment ideas. Also, I am not a registered financial advisor, so please do your own research before buying any of these stocks. Okay, first off, I'm just going to give you the super quick rundown on the company because there are a few things worth noting, even though I typically don't dive too deep on a company when I'm only planning to swing trade it. Now, the reason iBio stock has had so much buying interest the last few months is because they are in the race to find the COVID vaccine as well as treatments with many other companies. And that, of course, has the potential to be worth billions because probably everyone is going to have to take the vaccine whether they want to or not. Now, they're in the running with companies like Rigel Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol RIGL, and Ino Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol INO, just to name a few. So these companies are worth putting on your watch list if you don't have them already, because there's been a lot of buying interest in them lately. And if you think buying pressure has been strong in these companies so far, wait till one of them completes a working vaccine or game-changing treatment. Another thing that's worth noting is its recent inclusion in the Russell 2000 and Russell 3000 indexes. Now, that will create future buying pressure on iBio because institutional investors that mimic those indexes will be buying iBio on a regular basis. So that's always nice to have as a tailwind. Okay, so let's get to the charts and the potential trade that's setting up in iBio right now. So here's the daily chart, and iBio's chart pattern is typical of what I like to look for in low-priced stocks before they have big run-ups. First, there's a long accumulation period where the stock goes pretty much sideways. I like to see the accumulation base last for at least a year and then have a huge spike up in price like iBio did in late February. Then when the hype dies down and the price retreats, I like to buy when price pulls back to around the 50-period simple moving average or the blue line on the chart. Then a lot of the time you get this markup phase soon after, and your next biggest problem is when do you sell? And that question is always the hardest one because you never know how high it's going to go. Most of the time the stock will flame out after going up a few 100%, but every once in a while the stock will go on to be a huge winner, and it'll rise from the low single digits to $20 or $30 or even higher like AMD did. But if you look for this setup in lower price stocks, you're going to be amazed at some of the big winners you're going to get over time. All right, so here's the current short-term trade I see setting up in iBio right now. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see prices consolidated over the $5 area and is holding the gap up low it made 5 days ago. So that's extremely bullish considering the big move up. Now, you would expect to see more selling. People who bought at $1 or $2 have to be thinking about ringing the register right now, or it should have at least crossed their mind. Now, if I zoom into the 15-minute chart, you can see iBio has tested the $5 mark but has been bought up every time lately, forming the support of this triangle consolidation, and the highs have been getting lower, so that's putting pressure on that $5 support area. So price looks like it's going to have to break out like it did back on the 20th. But the question is it going to break up or is it going to break down? Now, my feeling is it's going to break down and price is going to test that $4 area. But then again, price action has been very bullish, and this stock is super strong lately, so I don't know if I dare go short too many shares. Up or down, I think this breakout should be a decent move, and it should be fast as well. So I'm going to be waiting with a limit order on both sides of this triangle. I'll be waiting with a limit buy order on any price action move over $6 and a limit sell short order on any move under $4.84. But what do you guys think? Do you think this is a decent trade setting up? Let me know if you agree with this analysis or if you have a different opinion. Also, let me know if you've heard anything about iBio and how close they are to a vaccine, or if you have any other info on iBio. I'd love to hear more about this company. Okay, folks, that's all I have for you today, so I'm going to end the video right there. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, And until next time, take care, everybody.